Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, and today I'm going to show you how to get started dollar cost averaging Bitcoin. Of course, there's many ways to do this, but I'm going to show you the easiest way and give you all of the tools and everything you need to know to get started. So I've seen lots of content about dollar cost averaging Bitcoin lately. We see the price movement this month up 16%. We see lots of issues with banks and financial markets, and I think some people see Bitcoin as a hedge against that. We also see predictions from major financial institutions like Fidelity, where they have a stock to flow model that predicts Bitcoin could be up to $100 million per coin by 2035. So this is something that people are noticing, they're starting to learn about, and they want to figure out the best way to get their hands on Bitcoin and do it in a safe way. So first thing, I'm going to show you how to do it on Strike app. I believe that's the best way, the easiest way, one of the most transparent companies right now. You can search them on Twitter, see what they're saying. It's a very legitimate company built by a longtime Bitcoin developer, Jack Mallers. If you sign up for the app using my link in the description, you can get $5 for free. And if you join their card waitlist, you can get an additional $1. So this will give you $6 to sort of test out the app, try it out, see if you like it. If you don't want to use Strike app, here's some other apps that you could use. Cash App, Coinbase, or Binance. I have other videos on my channel where you could learn how to use them. Pretty much the same exact process that I'm going to show you here. So most of these apps will allow you to store Bitcoin on the app, but you don't actually have any keys or real ownership of the Bitcoin. You can see I have a couple dollars on here now at the top. You'll see my Bitcoin balance. We can toggle that to US dollars as well. So you want a safer, more secure way to store your coins and transfer those off of the app. So recommend getting a ledger. Only get one of these from ledger.com so you know that it's legit, it's brand new. Don't buy them from Amazon or Craigslist or eBay or whatever. You'll probably get one that's been tampered with and lose all of your money. Only buy from ledger.com. Once you get one of these, just go through the steps to set it up. Make sure you do exactly what they say. Write down your seed phrase, store it somewhere safe. Once you do that, you'll have a wallet like this, and you'll be able to send Bitcoin to this. You'll just click the receive button, go through the steps, and it's going to give you an address, a string of letters and numbers to send your Bitcoin to. And I'll show you that in a second. So the next thing, you got to get set up on one of these apps. Strike, Coinbase, Cash App, Binance, Robinhood, and you got to buy some Bitcoin. I'm going to show you how to do it on Strike app. It's the easiest one. So first of all, a quick look at the app. You're going to have a cash balance. You're going to have a history screen. You're going to have a Bitcoin screen, the card, and your personal screen. You'll probably need to deposit some money to the app. So go ahead and go to your personal screen, hit deposit. After a couple days, it'll show up in your cash balance. Then you can use your cash balance to buy Bitcoin. Come to the Bitcoin tab, and you want to tap the buy button. From here, you can type how much. I'm just going to do $1 for this example. You can do a one-time purchase, or you can select this and do it hourly, daily, weekly, monthly. So if you don't want to look at this much, you can just select one of these and it'll automatically buy it for you every day. I'm just going to do a one-time purchase, tap next. It's going to give us our order details here and tap confirm. Just like that, we've purchased $1 more of Bitcoin. You can see our balance change up there at the top. And you can see we now have $3.13. The fees are very low here on Strike app. If you use Coinbase, Cash App, you're gonna run into higher fees like 3% fees and stuff like that. So that's why I'm loving Strike app and recommending it more these days. So now you have Bitcoin here on your app, but you wanna get it over into your more secure wallet. So you're gonna go through the steps, receive Bitcoin, it's gonna give you the address, copy that address, come back into your app. There's going to be an arrow in the top right corner. All these apps will typically have a send or withdraw feature. If they don't, you don't want to use that app. So I'm going to go ahead and tap the send icon. You can paste in the address down here at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and tap paste, allow paste. It's going to allow you to type how much Bitcoin you want to withdraw. I'm just going to tap max. It's going to give us our order details here and tap confirm. Just like that, I've sent the Bitcoin to this wallet here, and it said it can take up to 1 hour to process. So I'm going to tap done on the app, and then we pretty much just wait for the Bitcoin to arrive. The app will send us a notification once it's sent. Then we'll be able to scroll down here and see when it's received. So we'll go ahead and wait for that so I can show you. All right. We just got the notification. You can see there your Bitcoin withdrawal is successful. I think it was 30 to 40 minutes. So in Strike app, I didn't show this before, but you can like pan and see the Bitcoin price. You can see daily, weekly, monthly, yearly charts, and you can scroll down and see activity. You can see today my purchase, my Bitcoin withdrawal. You can tap on that, see more info if you need to. And then we can go over to our other wallet here, scroll down, and see this withdrawal right here. It's currently pending because the way the Bitcoin blockchain works, it has to do confirmations. So right now, not confirmed. It'll need to go through a bunch of confirmations and then the transaction will confirm, but there will be no issues with this one, of course. So there it is, how to dollar cost average Bitcoin. A quick recap, get yourself a Ledger wallet, download the application. That'll allow you to interact with the wallet. You'll have this interface. It'll show your amount of Bitcoin, the dollar value. You'll be able to send, receive, do everything you need to do. This is a very secure wallet where you're gonna store all of your crypto. Next, you'll want an app like Strike, Coinbase, Cash App, Robinhood, Binance. You're gonna wanna buy your Bitcoin on these apps and then use the send or withdraw feature and send that to your other wallet. That's the best way to do it, the safest, most secure. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. There's thousands of tutorials on my channel. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.